Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you easy guides to simplify your digital life. In today's video, we'll walk you through the best method to pay for Apollo Group TV using your PayPal account. If you're ready, let's get started. First, log in to your PayPal account. If you haven't already linked a debit or credit card, here's how to do it. 1. Go to the dashboard and click on Banks and Cards. 2. Choose to link a debit, credit card, or bank account. 3. Enter the necessary details and complete the linking process. Once your card is linked, deposit funds into your PayPal account. Now that your account is ready, you'll need to purchase Bitcoin, as it's the preferred payment method for Apollo Group TV. Here's how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. 1. On the PayPal dashboard, select the crypto icon. 2. Choose Bitcoin from the list and click Buy. 3. Enter the amount you need for your Apollo Group TV subscription, for example, $100, and select your payment method. 4. Complete the transaction to purchase Bitcoin. With your Bitcoin ready, the next step is to complete the Apollo Group TV payment. 1. Log into your Apollo Group TV account. 2. Navigate to the subscription section in the menu. 3. Select your subscription plan and copy the provided Bitcoin wallet address. Finally, return to your PayPal account to send the payment. 1. Open your Bitcoin wallet in PayPal. 2. Paste the copied wallet address. 3. Ensure you send the exact subscription cost and account for any additional transaction fees. And that's it. You've successfully paid for your Apollo Group TV subscription using PayPal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.